Okay, good day to our science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle now the Science 9 Term 1 Week 8 Day 3. Day 3, Safety Measures, Real Life Issues, and Responsible Use. This is pertaining to electromagnetic waves. Okay, objectives. Explain safety measures to protect the body from harmful effects of electromagnetic radiation. Demonstrate awareness of the risk of excessive radiation exposure. And present group analysis of radiation risk scenarios and recommend appropriate safety measures. Motivational activity, radiation safety mission. Okay, divide the class into two teams. The teacher will show a situation related to radiation safety. Students will respond by doing one of the following actions. Thumbs up if the action is safe. Thumbs down if the action is unsafe. Students can also stand if the answer is safe and sit it unsafe. Okay, game situations. Number 1 situation. Using sunscreen before going to the beach. Is it safe or unsafe? Number 2. Looking directly at the strong sunlight without sunglasses. Safe or unsafe? Standing inside a working microwave oven. Okay. Safe or unsafe? Taking x-rays even if not prescribed by a doctor. Using cell phone for 6 hours straight without rest. Okay, is that safe or unsafe? Wearing a hat under the sun. Okay, questions. Why do we need to follow radiation safety rules? Okay, to protect our body from harmful effect of radiation. Is electromagnetic radiation always harmful? Okay, no. EM waves are useful but must be used responsibly. What should we remember about technology use? Okay, use gadgets and radiation producing devices properly and in moderation. Okay, poem, the summer vacation. Okay, guide question, why is sunscreen important? Okay, sunscreen protects the skin from harmful ultraviolet radiation and helps prevent sunburn. What happens if we stay too long under the sun? Okay, we may experience sunburn, eye discomfort, and skin irritation because of excessive ultraviolet radiation. How can we protect ourselves from radiation? Okay, we can use sunscreen, wear hats or protective clothing, and avoid staying under strong sunlight for too long. Okay, discussion, safety measures, and responsible use. Okay, safety guidelines, protection from UV rays. Okay, number 1, use sunscreen. Wear hats and sunglasses. Avoid staying under the sun too long. Ayan, safety with x-ray. Sa x-ray naman tayo. Only take x-ray when necessary. Wear protective lead apron. Limit exposure. Okay, do not open microwave while operating. Use properly sealed ovens. Do not stand too close unnecessarily. Yan, kasi mainit talaga yan. So, responsible use of technology. Students should avoid excessive phone use. Use gadgets responsibly. Protect eyes from strong light. Follow safety instructions. Okay, issue 1, too much sun exposure can cause skin cancer due to UV radiation. Yung issue number 2, overuse of medical imaging. Too many x-rays may increase health risk. Okay, nuclear accidents. Release harmful gamma radiation.